Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am back again with another video to help you with your German driving license exam preparation. Thank you for your feedback and appreciation so far. It really means a lot and it motivates me to create more such useful contents for you. Please note that the theory lessons that I come up with is purely from an exam standpoint. I have tried not to incorporate something which is not so useful for your exam. At any case, you should still go through your entire exam pack yourself. But attempting them after going through my lessons would be a lot more easier than before. If you have not watched my previous videos, I suggest you watch them. I have created a playlist. I've also spent a lot of my time and effort to create these videos for you, and I'm sure this would be useful for your exam preparation. I shall leave them somewhere in the playlist or the description for easy reference. Let's get started. General safety. Understanding vehicle maintenance and safe driving practices. To choose the right engine oil, use the oil that meet the vehicle manufacturer's specification. And also note to avoid overfilling to prevent engine damage. Let's move to the next slide. Functions of engine oil. Engine oil protects, cools and cleans the engine. To check oil levels, use the driver information system or the oil dipstick depending on your vehicle. Coolant is crucial for preventing engine damage and overheating. And hence, regularly check the coolant levels. High coolant temperature can be caused by contaminated radiator, faulty radiator fan, or leaks in the radiator system. If the engine temperature is high, stop immediately to prevent further damage. Moving on. Squad driving safety. So these types of vehicles are called squad, and there are questions in your pack related to quads. Ensure to wear a crash helmet and protective clothing. Quads can tip over in tight bends, so reduce the speed. Steering a quad requires more force than a car. Let's move on. If the oil pressure warning light stays on after starting, shut down the engine and check the oil level. For brake system warnings, if the light illuminates or the car doesn't stay in line when braking, get the system checked immediately. Benefits of low viscosity engine oil. Using approved oil generates less friction, which reduces fuel consumption. Ensure the oil is approved by the vehicle manufacturer. Moving on, let's conclude this chapter. Regular maintenance by checking oil and coolant levels and responding to warning lights are some best practices. Follow safety guidelines for all vehicle types, including quads. That's all with this video. I will see you in the next one.